Hi guys, good morning. So we wake up and now we're going to the gym. So yep guys, gym outfit tayo. So we're trying to go treadmill and yeah, so we're headed to the gym. See you there guys. So sana na-enjoy ninyo ang ating trip dito sa Wilmington. So yeah, di ko kayo medyo ma-update kasi parang yung mga tao parang hindi naman sila mahilig dito mag-picture. Parang most people is parang local naman sila, parang silang dito na sila nakatira. So mga visiting pero parang dito na talaga sa US, yung hindi ba tourist na tourist yung dating, parang visiting from other maybe city, tapos napunta para sa Pilipinas, napunta ng Baguio, napunta ng Bulacan, parang ganyan. So Manila, parang ganun ang vibes dito. So wala masyado kamakita mga nagpipicture o may hawak ng camera. So parang medyo nakaka-shy mag video at mag-talk, hindi kagaya sa ibang lugar na parang okay lang. So yun lang guys, yun lang ang napansin ko dito. So anyway, just to update, I'm enjoying and meron tayo ditong tagyawat na lumaki. So pero siguro kakakain ng ano yan, chocolate tsaka mga chips. So yes guys, but I'm having a good time and eating all my oyster, crab. I did my lobster roll. So, ayun guys. Masarap naman. Steak. Nakapag-steak na rin ako. And then, probably today, baka mag-burger ako or something crab sana na kina-crack. But, I don't know. Crab cake. Dalawang beses na ako nakakain. But, yun guys. So, see you at the gym. I-burn muna natin to bago tayo kumain ulit. Okay, guys.
You get everybody staring for days. All they see is just a young pretty face. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take, but there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take. I just can't give up. I just can't give up. I just can't give up. I just can't give up, can't give up, can't give up. I just can't give up, can't give up, can't give up. No, 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 I won't give up, won't give up, won't give up. No, I can't give up, can't give up, can't give up. I've been caught up since the day that we met, and you haven't seen the best of me yet. There's nothing like you and me together, and your eyes have been so hard to forget. But there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. It don't matter how much.